Write a C++ program to design a class template for sorting in ascending order of generic type. In this program, we have to design a class with generic type. So in class template, we have to mention generic type for some of the data members of the class. So first we are creating a new generic type by using template keyword. New type which we have created, which is named as type 1. We are creating a new class which is named as perform. The values to be stored, the numbers for sorting the values need to be stored in an array. So we are creating an array of generic type, that is type 1 star A, and n is the total number of values present in the variable A. So we are using star A for storing an array of numbers. Numbers should be of generic type. So type is mentioned as type 1. And in the public section, first we have written a constructor. The name of the constructor is perform. It takes two parameters. The first one is an array of type 1 value, and next is n is the total number of values present in val. Now the content which is present in val should get copied into the data member A. For that, first we are allocating the memory space for A, memory space for data member A by using new keyword. So we write A equals new type. The type is here type 1, generic type, and n number of location is required. Now by using memcpy, we are copying the content of one pointer variable to another. So we have to use C string header file for that. So we are using memcpy. The content of val will get copied into A, and the third parameter is the total size. The total size will depends upon n into the size of type 1. So if type 1 is integer, so it will become size of int. If type 1 becomes float, it will become size of float. And the value of n gets stored into the data member n. So we have written this pointer n equals n. Now we are writing a function which is named as sort ASC, which is for sorting ascending order. We are writing the logic for sorting numbers of a particular array by using two for loop. The outer for loop is used to iterate from the index 0 to n minus 2, the second last number. So by taking each number, we have to compare with the remaining numbers in the array. So for example, the 0th element have to be compared with first, second, third up to n minus 1. And the first index value have to be compared with second, third, fourth up to n minus 1. So we have two for loop. The first I ranges from 0 to n minus 2, and j ranges from I plus 1 to n minus 1. So during the comparison, the value of ai is greater than aj. That means the value which is present in the array first place is more than in the upcoming place. If it is bigger number preceding a successor number, then it needs to be exchanged. We exchange by using a temp variable. The temp is declared of type as type 1. So sort ASC method is used to sort the numbers present in the data member A. Now we write another method which is named as display, which is used to display the value which is present in the data member A. By using a for loop, we display all the elements which are present in A, starting from index 0 to n minus 1. So for I equals 0, I less than n, so I ranges from 0 to n minus 1. We display the value of the pointer variable A. So it can be displayed by using value of operator star, star of ai. So it will print star of a plus 1, star of a plus 2 till star of a plus n minus 1. So all the elements which are present in a of 0 to a of n minus 1 will get printed. In the main method, first we declare an array of integer array with some initialized values. Now during the creation of object for the perform class, we have to mention the type for type 1. So first we are creating an object. So int is mentioned as the data type of type 1 generic type. Now we have to pass the value as integer array. So val1 is an integer array which is having 5 elements. So object 1 is created with the data member type as integer array. By using display method, we can display all the elements present in the particular data member A. So we call display method for displaying all the values. It's an integer array now. Now in order to sort, we have a method which is named as sort asc, which is for sorting in ascending order. We call the method obj1.sortasc. After that, we again display the numbers by calling the method display. Object1.display method is called once again. Similarly, we create one more object for perform class, wherein which we pass the value of character array. So we declared a character array with initialized values. The character array name is val2. Now during the creation of the next object obj2, we have to mention the data type for type 1, actual data type for generic type 1. So we mention as char, and in the constructor we have to pass the character array as the first parameter. So we mention val2. Val2 is a character array, and the number of elements present in val2 is 6. Similarly, we again call obj2.display for displaying all the characters present in the array. And in order to sort the array, we call sort asc by using object2. And the character array will get displayed again by using display method of object2. Execute and see the program output.